Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now just type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, tap on open. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!